morning, my name is Paul and welcome to DexFxMarkets.com. We're going to run through yesterday's results, even though yesterday was a holiday, Martin Luther King Day. We'll have a quick look and see how we got on. Okay, keeping this short and sweet today. Daily signals for the week, for the month. The AUJPY was an absolute winner. Looking down to what would be the worst statistic. Looking down, 93. And again, for the daily signals, 93.5% for the USD JPY. And for the week, the worst was 85.7%, which actually, as I've always said, is the statistics on here are absolutely superb. So quickly looking down here, weekly, let's look at the monthly statistics for them. And the worst time period, the worst pair on the worst time period was USD JPY at 66.7. All in all for the month, at all time zones, absolutely superb. Okay, moving on to the 1 hour TNT. Let's have a quick look at here. Best asset for the week was the USD CHF, 100%. That's cool. And the month, Euro, Great British Pound, 95.5. And Euro Great British Pound for the year was 89.9. Not bad at all. Okay, for the month, the worst statistical pair. AUDJPY, nothing below 80% there, so it's looking cool. For the week, the worst pair again was USD/JPY at 68.4. Again, not bad odds, but something I wouldn't particularly go on to. Looking at the month for all pairs on the 1 hour TNT. Trend, negate, and trade. I think I would give Euro USD the 2 o'clock a miss and the 3 o'clock a miss. Mind you, I can't see a lot of people trading at that particular time. Okay, 2 at 66.7. That's for the 9 and 10 o'clock. And USD CHF at 11 o'clock was 60% and 12 o'clock 50%. So I've got a feeling I'm going to miss those on trading today, definitely. And 3 o'clock, 1500 hours USD JPY. All the rest seem pretty good. Okay, moving on to the 2 hour best asset. AUDJPY for the 2 hour and the week. Sorry, the month and the week. Pulling down here, so let's see what the worst one was for the month. Euro USD 50%. That's probably the same sort of odds you get from most other companies, but we'll give that one a miss. Okay, that was for the week, and for the month, sorry, 77.3 was the lowest statistic that we have. Let's look down here for the timings of the month. For the 2 hour, so Euro JPY 0600 hours, 50%, and Great British Pound USD 60% at 0.600. Okay, decent block to actually trade in would have been the 12 o'clock and 1400. I think that would be a decent block to actually trade some of these pairs. Okay, moving on to the 5 minutes. Okay. Again, the 5 minutes are all in the 90s, 90 odd percent there. I'm looking at them. I hate it when it does that. Looking at the timings here. I mean, the trouble is, because it's a 5 minutes, there are just so many pages of statistics on here that I'm not going to run through the board, but as you can see, it's a damn good setup. Okay, I'm back home. I'm going to keep it short and sweet today because yesterday was Martin Luther King Day, so there wasn't a lot of trading happening. And so on that, I shall love you all and leave you. Have a fantastic week, trade safely, and we shall speak to you all soon.